Welcome back. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to crochet a butterfly keychain in an easy and simple way. So let's get started.
Slip knot and make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join into the first chain and make a circle. 3 chains, 2, 3, into the ring, make a 1 double crochet. We consider this 3 chain as a double crochet. 2 chains, again into the ring, make a 2 double crochet. 2 chains, again 2 double crochet. Look, the 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 groups. Now totally we're going to make it 8 groups like this. 2 chain, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, making 8 groups. After making 8 groups, going into the 3rd chain, make a slip stitch, 1 chain, and cut yarn. Now with another color, make a slip knot and going between double crochet. Look, not 2 chains spaces, between double crochets, make a 1 single and going to the 2 chain spaces and making 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in same space, and join, look, by slip stitches between the next double crochets. Look, between the next double crochet, and again without any chain, going to the 2 spaces, 2 chain spaces, make a 6 double crochet, 1 and 6, and going to the look next, between the next double crochets, make a slip stitch and keep continued like this, and at the end we'll have a 8 groups of this. After making and joining into the first double crochet, now our flower is ready. We're going to make 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And look, from the middle of our flower, fold it and go around the, look, like this, and join into the first chain like this, make a 1 chain and cut, leave a yarn a little long, look, shape with your hand. Now we're going to make an antenna of butterfly. Antenna of butterfly, just we're going to make a knot. Look, first knot, make a, leave a little space and make a second knot. Look, first and second knot. Cut the yarn, cut the extra yarn. This is our first knot, our second knot. Look, and going to the top of the butterfly here, with the help of hook. Look.
And that's it, your butterfly keychain is ready.